Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a driving day. I am in the car for a few hours because I'm on the way to Halifax. I should be there before dark. I'm actually going up for work. I have to take a course, and today is Sunday. The course starts tomorrow and it is 5 days, and then I'm staying up for the weekend, and then two more days next week. So I'll be in Halifax for a total of 10 days, I guess. My classes are all week. I think they start at 8:30 and go all day. And on Saturday, my friends Jenna and Megan are gonna come up, and my mom, and we're gonna go wedding dress shopping. I figured that it would be a good time to go since I'm already up there. Unfortunately, my sister can't come. She's busy that day, so I'll get Jenna and Megan to take some pictures, and we can show her. It's pretty rough leaving Seamus and Chip this morning, not gonna lie. I haven't been away from them for 10 days before, and usually when I go away, somebody comes with me. It's not me by myself, right? So stick with me and I'll show you some things that I do in Halifax if I get up to anything exciting, and I'll check in along the way. Okay guys, so I made it to the hotel. I'm staying in the Best Western Plus in Dartmouth. I'll just show you the outside. The reviews are good online, the pictures look nice, and work is paying for it, so that's plus. So I'm gonna unpack everything and take it in to check in. Okay, so before I unpack, I just want to show you the room that I'm staying in. So there's the door, and when you walk in, the bathroom is to the left, and then there's a closet over here to the right. This is the bathroom. And shower over here. Really nice. Hair dryer. And then there's like a little microwave, and I think this is probably a fridge. Yes, fridge here. I brought my snacks up from the car. I'll put it in the fridge. And full-length mirror here. Yes, I brought my big computer. Don't judge me. My laptop isn't working. 2 big beds. And then a little seat and the TV. A desk. I'll put my computer up there. And a chair in the corner. And I don't think the view is much. It's a different building. But yeah, nice hotel. Can't believe I'm staying here for 10 days, but that's what's happening. So I'm all checked in, and I think I'm going to go for a little drive and do like a practice route of where I have to go in the morning, just so I can get an idea of how much traffic there might be and what time I should leave. Yeah, I'm gonna go do that, and then I might go to like a Walmart or a Winners or something and try to get a cheap curling iron, because I forgot mine. They have a hair dryer here. My hair is literally still wet from when I washed it last night, so I may need to dry it, and I might curl my hair. We'll see. So I'm gonna head out. I don't know how much is open because it's Sunday. I think Walmart is open pretty late, and I might actually go walk through Ikea, so I'll take you along with me. I ended up buying a medicine cabinet for our bathroom. I'll insert a picture here. And then I went to the gas station. I ended up going to Marshall's because I forgot my curling iron. So I bought this one. It was pretty good price, $39. And it's bigger than my other curling iron, so it's a little bit different. But I forgot mine, so I have that. And then I know that I'll be getting a binder when I get to my course, but I bought a notebook just in case. And then I just got these pens. They're my favorite, the Sharpie S gel pens in black. I bought 2 of those. I couldn't decide what I wanted to eat, and I remembered that Seamus and I used to go to Jack Astor's and get it used to be called a sweet sesame chicken wok, I think, but now it has a different name. Anyways, I called Jack Astor's. They transferred me through, they said for pickup line. So she transferred me through. I waited 10 minutes and nothing. So I called back, said, you transferred me through, but nobody picked up. And she said, oh, sorry, I'll transfer you through again. So she did it again, waited a while, still nothing. So I came back to my hotel and ordered skip the dishes for the same thing that I wanted. So it says it'll be ready in 35 minutes. And I think I'll just set my computer up while I wait. And then I'll have that for supper. I'll show you when it gets here. Okay, so I got my order from Jack Astor's. It is the Thai sesame stir fry. There, looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this and watch some YouTube, and then I'm gonna grab a shower and probably go to bed soon. And I'm going to bed. 9:45 actually. So hopefully I can fall asleep, and I have an alarm set for 7 a.m. My class doesn't start till 8:30. I'll be able to get ready and have breakfast downstairs and then head to school. So I'll see you tomorrow. So I'm leaving the mall parking lot, and I am going to an eyelash in my eye. Definitely safe while driving. Okay. So I'm leaving the mall parking lot, and I'm headed over to Bears Lake because I want something to do, and I'm gonna go to Costco and peruse Costco. I have a couple things that I need at Costco, and then my friends gave me a little list to get, so I'm gonna get those things. I think Costco closes at 8. But I'll go there first, and then I'll get something for supper, and then go back to the hotel. So I left Costco. I filmed my cart. I'm not gonna do like a haul of what I got there because I don't want to take it up to my hotel room, but you could see in the cart I got a couple things. I got pajamas for my friend's little girl for Christmas, and I got pajamas for my other friend's little girl for her birthday, and then I got some of these chocolate things. I will show you later. I'll insert a picture of them here because I took a picture, but they're called, oh my god, milk chocolate almond toffee clusters, and I don't need them, but I'm gonna try them. And I also don't need what I'm gonna have for supper, and that is Five Guys, and I'll show you right here. I'm gonna head in there. Last time we were up, we got Five Guys delivered to our hotel when me and the girls were up. And it wasn't great for the price at the time, and I think it's because it was delivered. So I'm gonna go in and get it, and I might sit in and eat it in there by myself. So I'll take you in and show you what it's like. All right, I just finished Five Guys, and it was a hit. It was much better when I ate it in the store than when we got it delivered that time. I got an Oreo milkshake with it, and it was definitely more than I needed, but it was so good. So, while I am in Bears Lake and near an Old Navy, I have a jacket that I have to return. I'm back in the hotel room. This is terrible lighting, and I'm not sure what's going on here, but I'll have to deal with it. Anyways, I'm going to show you what I got at the mall and when I was out. I went to Sephora in the mall, and I got this set here. I use this product every day. It's the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. And then I really like these facial radiance pads here. I only get them once a year, and then once they're gone, that's it. They're 60 in a container. I was going to buy this separately. It was $48, and then this was $48 too. But this whole set was $64 total for a value of $148. So it comes with facial radiance pads. It's almost like, I'll use these tonight so I don't mind opening them. After you like wash and dry your face, you use these. It exfoliates, tones, and brightens. So I like those. And this is the cream that I use all the time. I have a giant one now that I bought online when it was on sale, but it's really thick cream, and I just use a tiny bit of it to put on my face every day. And then it does come with a face cleanser. I don't use this as a cleanser, but I could give it to somebody who, I could give it to my sister or a friend if they wanted it, because this kit paid for itself with those 2 items. So that, and then this is KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub, and I haven't tried this before, so I'll try that. And then I thought this was bigger, but it's so little. An Eye Duty Brightening Cream. I think I have this in a bigger size, so I'll use that too. And then I got this, the lightning cable I got this USB-C to lightning to charge my mouse. I went to Old Navy. I originally bought this jacket online. It's like a denim jacket and it has like fur inside. I thought it was cute. And I originally bought it online in a large, and then when I tried it on, I think it's supposed to be like an oversized thing, but it was very oversized, so I returned it and got the medium. And then while I was there, I looked at some other things. I had Super Cash. It's like when you spend money at Old Navy, they send you emails, or maybe it's just if you're subscribed to the Old Navy emails, but I got Super Cash, so I think I saved like $82 total with all the Super Cash and the deals that were going on. I needed a new pair of jeans, so I just got these ones from Old Navy. They have a few rips in them, but they're like a darker wash. They're Power Slim straight jeans, nothing crazy. This was 40% off, so I got this. It's just a red sweater. And I got this, it's hard to see. It's a wraparound shirt with like these little puffy sleeves, but it's white, and I thought it would be cute to wear when I go try on wedding dresses on the weekend. So I'll probably just shower and go over some stuff, and I might watch some YouTube videos, and then I'm gonna head to bed. Okay, so today is Tuesday. I am on the way to my course, and I am not going to use the GPS. I think I figured out how to get there. It's very easy. Okay, so class is over for today. I'm back at the hotel, and I wasn't sure what I was going to do tonight, but I think what I'm going to do is go see a movie. They have a Cineplex here in Dartmouth Crossing, and they have something called Dbox, and it's special seats, I think, that move. So I do have motion sickness in a vehicle, so I don't know if like it'll make me sick, but I looked it up online and there are little buttons you can turn it down if it's like too much. Yeah, so it's the new Ghostbusters Afterlife movie that has the Ultra AVX/Dbox. I don't know what Ultra AVX means. I think it might just be a bigger screen and like better picture. Okay, so I just booked my tickets for 6:30. Right now it's 4:30 and I don't have to be at the movies until 6:30. I'll probably get there around 6, but I think right now I might get ready and go to the Under Armour outlet because Seamus had a gift card, so he gave me the gift card to use while I'm up here. So I'll have to call and see what he wants specifically, but I might go check out the outlets at Dartmouth Crossing before I head to the movies. Okay, so I'm back from the movies. I just wanted to give a little review on the Dbox seats. So there's 2 rows of seats at the top. I think I took a picture, I'll insert it here. So all of the seats are sitting on their own like base, and you can tell that it moves because it looks like accordion like, I guess. And through the movie it kind of like vibrated and jolted, and it tipped side to side and back and front, and it kind of like swayed all the way around like that. So that was cool. At first I thought it was going to make me motion sick, but it actually was fine through the whole movie. I'd be curious to see with a different movie how it was, but that was pretty cool. So the Ghostbusters movie was kind of cute. It was funny. I probably would have picked a different movie, but I wanted to try those seats, so I went with Ghostbusters. So I think I'm going to end this vlog now, just so I can edit tomorrow, and then I'll start a new vlog tomorrow. Hopefully you're enjoying this. If you are, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me, and stay tuned for the second part of my trip.